Okay, good evening and welcome to Godwin Tech. This evening I'm going to cover a part of what mobile app that many people do not know about. Some users of mobile app don't know that there is a feature called Smart Lookup, which is available in the desktop version. What Smart Lookup does is that it helps you to find the meaning of some words that you have in your mobile app, in your Word document. Okay, so the same feature still exists in the mobile version. So let's get started. The first is to access the Word app. I'll swipe up, then I'll use the final search to get to my Word app. So in search space I will type Word. Okay, this is my Word app. I'll tap on it. This shows me some documents are recently created on this device, and I would like to work with blank documents. So I will tap on the plus icon at the top right, then select blank document. Please note that for Smart Lookup to work in your mobile phone, your phone must be connected to the internet. So please ensure you are connected to Wi-Fi or you are using mobile data. Okay, always make sure you turn it on so that it's happy to do what you want to do. So let me just make a statement to explain my point. Let's say it means like, okay, I was astonished when I saw that. All right, when I saw that. So let's say I want to look up a word in this sentence. I was astonished when I saw that. So let's say I astonished. Maybe that's where my interest is, in this. Then when I select that word, you can see there are some options that show up. Then tap on Smart Lookup. Again, hold on, it's still loading to find the meaning of that selected word. Okay, although sometimes the speed of operation depends on the network. Okay, it has shown up. All right, it has given me the meaning. It said greatly surprised or impressed, amazed. He was astonished at the change in him. Okay, he even showed us some images to explain the word astonished. So these are just the few steps you need to take to make use of Smart Lookup in Word mobile app. I hope this helps. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Okay, like this video and leave comments. Thank you.